flag. So it seems that we can now actually both create and delete database. We have a context. Next step is we want to add a logger so we can actually see what command is being executed whenever we do anything with the NT framework. So that's what we're going to do next. In order to make a logger, I want to add a Loggerfactory right here in the options. And the cool thing with the options is, let's just make a new line right here. The cool thing with the options, again, I'm inside configure service at DB context where we did the options, is you can actually call use Loggerfactory right here. And that's what we want to do, but we need a Loggerfactory. So we need something we can send in here. And I also want a Loggerfactory that can actually just log into the console. I just want this to be shown in the console. You could also log it to a text file, to a database, but right now I just want it to be logged into the console. So how do we do that? Well, we have to use the Loggerfactory in order to get this logger. So before this, I'll just make a new line right here, and I'll make a Loggerfactory right here. You can call it whatever you want, equals, and then I'll use the Loggerfactory, where is it? There it is, dot, and then you can create. And when you create this, just like with the options, you can actually make a configure right here. So what I'll do is I'll just call it configure, and I'll put in curly brackets right here. There we go. And in here, I can decide what the Loggerfactory should actually do for me. So in my case, let's say conf dot, and I want one called add console right here. So I'll just get a console logger and nothing more than that. And that's how easy to make a logger. And then I'll just pass that Loggerfactory in here, and I'm pretty much done. Now I should actually be able to see and log every single request that I make in my NT framework. Let's try and rerun this and see what happens. Hopefully everything works now. And we'll actually start getting logs about what happens when we are creating the database. Now, there's not a lot of things going on right now since, well, to be honest, I don't have any tables to drop. I don't have anything to drop at all. So right now I'm just executing db command with some parameter information. I can't really see what it's all about right now. But next lesson, we'll try and add some tables, and then you'll start seeing some of the cool things you can do with SQLite. So see you next time. Bye.